The night beckons.
For this build, we're going to be using about 2 feet of 3/4 inch PVC pipe and about 6 feet of 1/2 inch PVC pipe. We're going to start by cutting two 2-inch pieces as connectors. Then we're going to need one piece that is about 1 foot long and another piece that is about 8 to 10 inches long. We take the longer piece and hook up an elbow on each side, the smaller 2-inch pieces to each of those, and finish off with a T on the end of each. We can then move on to the 1/2 inch PVC pipe, which is going to be the body of the snake. The magic of this build is how we keep the snake in a curved shape. For this, I used a 4 foot long piece of 2x4. One screw is at the top on one of the short sides, and one screw is at the bottom on one of the long sides. Now we're going to take our 6 foot long section of 1/2 inch PVC pipe and cap it at the bottom. We're then going to pour boiling water into it. A funnel is your friend here. The boiling water will make the PVC pliable. When it starts to get loose enough, wrap the PVC around the 2x4 using the 2 screws from earlier. Once the PVC cools down, it will keep this shape. While we wait for that to cool off, we're going to want to get a 1/2 inch PVC cap and drill a hole in the bottom. For this build, I decided to use a wiper motor. I start out with a washer and then the PVC cap we drill the hole into. Now, we're going to drill a hole in the small section of 3/4 inch PVC pipe. This will be for mounting the motor. Next, we're going to paint the body. Quick note here, get paint that isn't going to crack when the foam bends. I'm going to show you how I made the snake, but Still B Studios has a guide on making a way better snake than mine. You should really use that for a reference. With my horrible skills, I ended up just 3D printing a head just to not have to agonize over a goofy looking snake. I gave the snake a white base, then painted the top 3/4 in orange. To finish it off, I gave it purple stripes that react with black light. The head is going to get a similar treatment. It's got the same base coat of orange. We're going to make the eyes in green, and we're going to use the same purple for lines. When our PVC has cooled off, we can remove it from our stand. Now that we've got the bend we want, we can attach it to the motor and the support structure. I attached the 3D printed head to the foam by simply super gluing it using Gorilla Glue. Next, we're going to cut an opening on the back part of the snake. This is going to keep the snake's body from rotating. We can achieve this by going past the front support and putting a zip tie to secure it in place. All that's left to do is to slide the body over the PVC and zip tie it in place. I highly recommend using a speed controller on the motor to really dial in the movement.
Where secrets are revealed. Haunted whispers echoing wide, monsters born nowhere to hide. Darkness eyes within these walls, answering the tormenting calls. Lightning strikes the skies above, breathing life into
If you like this video, please check out some of our other videos and consider subscribing.